Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and this is Brooke Peterman. Along with Dedra Hughes, we make up the Dedra Hughes Team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today we're at a beautiful property at 5881 Old State Road. This home is on 5 beautiful wooded acres, and I'm going to let Brooke tell you all about it.
Yes, this house is beautiful, open floor plan. It has lovely granite countertops, backsplash, a beautiful fireplace, LVP flooring, and my favorite part about it is how secluded it is. It's your own little piece of paradise out in the woods. You don't want to miss this one. So call me or your favorite realtor and let's go see it today. Come on.